I'll guide you through how to make LinkedIn profile. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type linkedin.com. Once the page loads, click Sign In with email. Enter your email address and password in the field provided, then click Sign In. Once logged in, hover your cursor over Profile in the top right corner, then select View Profile to open your profile page. Add a profile photo, then a cover photo. Next, click the pencil icon and edit your professional name and any other names you want to display. Next, edit the pronunciation of your name. Continue by editing your headline. After that, edit your current position. Next, edit your industry. Then, edit your education by clicking Add New Education. Then fill out the form with your school, degree, field of study, start date, end date, grade, activities and societies, and a description. After updating your education, click Add Skills. Then, click Add Media and upload your media documents. Click Save to save your changes. Finally, edit your location and zip code. Then click Save.